If I type pip here, as you can see, I get this error that says pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. Let's see how we can fix this. First, you need to make sure that you have Python installed. So if you run this command, you will see a Python version. So that means that Python is already installed. If you are getting an error that says Python is not found, that means that you need to either install Python or add it to environment variables. If that is the case, check the link in the description below. It will show you how to install Python. Now once you have Python installed, you can go ahead and install pip. Go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. Here, scroll down. Now there are different versions for Mac, Linux and Windows. So you can just right click on this and click on save link as, or just click on it and you can see the contents. So right click and click on save link as, and this will be downloaded. Now you can just click on save. Now here we have our pip installer file. Now to install pip, you need to just run this command, python get pip.py, and if you are on Windows, you can try get pip.py, else this will work on Windows too. So go to wherever you have downloaded your installer file and click on this, type cmd, hit enter, and command prompt will open in this directory. Now you need to make sure that you are inside this directory where you have your get pip file. Now just enter this command, python get pip.py, hit enter, and pip will be installed. Now once this is installed, you can close the terminal and add pip to environment variables. Press your Windows key and type environment variables. You will see edit the system environment variables. Click on this, and here you need to enter the path of pip installation. So by default, it is installed inside your C drive, inside users, inside your current user. Here, go inside app data, inside local, inside programs. Here you will see Python. Go inside and you will see your Python version that is installed. And finally, you can see pip inside the scripts folder. Now just copy this path and open your environment variables. Click on environment variables. Here in the path, double click and double click at the bottom here and paste the path. Now click OK again, click OK again, and finally you can exit your command prompt or terminal, open command prompt again, and this time you should be able to run pip commands. You can check your pip version by entering pip version, and as you can see, pip version is 25.1 that was recently installed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.